The Kanju has agreed to partner with USAID on the following. 1. USAID support to county food security agenda. 2. Implementation of various projects in the sector, such as accelerated value chain development project for smallholder farmers and pastoralists in Kenya. 3. The ongoing county policy and legislative reform in the sector. And finally, the possibility of extending the current USAID support to Council of Governors for a further 3 years, since the current one is ending in 6 months' time. We believe that this partnership will empower the county government to effectively provide services in the sector for the benefit of all the farmers in Kenya.
The U.S. government has a very strong commitment to the Kenyan Constitution. We share now a journey towards devolved government and federalism, and it is a work in progress, and it will be a work in progress for many years to come. 85% of our $500 million a year budget at USAID is directed towards county development. And we are focused on figuring out a way to better fund directly county governments in the coming year so that we can attain greater efficiencies and greater impact on the lives of Kenyans across the country.
Agriculture is completely devolved. The Council of Governors and the counties are the ones who are supposed to do all the implementation. As you know, institutions take time to form, because devolution is a young process. It's taken a bit of time, but it has to move fast in the agriculture sector because it's completely devolved, so that the governors, the CECs who are here, the counties can take their charge, because the constitution requires that agriculture is implemented at the county level.
Council now is focusing to see that agriculture is taken seriously at all levels and in all areas of the Republic of Kenya, including other areas. That's why I'm here with colleagues. So you will be seeing better things happening as we move forward.